The 5 best investment apps for beginners in the USA. Want to start investing but not sure where to begin? Don't worry, you're not alone. The good news is you don't need a finance degree or thousands of dollars to start building wealth. All you need is your smartphone and the right app. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best investment apps for beginners in the USA apps that make investing simple, safe, and accessible even if you've never bought a stock before. Let's go from number 5 to number 1. And if you're looking for low fees, automation, or hands-on learning, there's an app here for you. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Investing involves risk. Always do your own research. 5 Acorns. Starting off our list is a beginner-friendly app that makes investing effortless. How? Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change into a diversified portfolio. Spend $2.5 on coffee, Acorns rounds it up to $3 and invests 50 cents. Key features: automated micro-investing, pre-built diversified portfolios, retirement and checking account options. It's great for people who want to start investing without even thinking about it. The app is clean, the fees are low, and it's perfect if you want your money to grow quietly in the background. 4.org Public. Next up is Publica's social investing app that's perfect for beginners who want to learn from others while they build their portfolio. Public offers commission-free stock and ETF investing, fractional shares starting at just $1, a built-in social feed with insights from other investors. You can follow other users, see what they're buying, and read market commentarial inside the app. It's like combining Twitter with investing but way more focused. If you want to start slow, ask questions, and invest alongside a community, Public is a great place to learn. 3 dice. M1 Finance. At number 3 is M1 Finance, a hybrid between automated investing and DIY control. M1 lets you build a custom portfolio called a pie and then invest your money according to your chosen slices. You can include stocks, ETFs, pre-made expert portfolios. Once your pie is set, M1 automatically rebalances and reinvests your dividends. You can schedule weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly contributions. It's ideal for beginners who want a set-it-and-forget-it strategy but still want to choose what they invest in. 2 Stash. Coming in strong at number 2 is Stash, a personal finance app designed to help new investors build good habits. With Stash, you can invest in stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. Set up automatic contributions, get access to a debit card with stock-back rewards. It also includes educational content, making it easy to understand what you're investing in and why. Stash is ideal for beginners who want to learn as they invest and who prefer a simple all-in-one app that also helps with saving and spending. 1 Fidelity Investments. And taking the number 1 spot is Fidelity, a well-established name with a top-tier app for beginners. Why is it number 1? $0 commissions on stocks and ETFs, no account minimums, access to fractional shares, a highly rated app with easy navigation. Fidelity also offers robust research tools, educational resources, and retirement planning, all completely free. You can start investing with just a few dollars and grow into a more advanced investor over time. And unlike some flashy apps, Fidelity is built for the long haul. So, which app is right for you? Use Acorns to invest automatically with spare change. Try Public if you want to learn by watching other investors. Go with M1 Finance for custom portfolios and automatic rebalancing. Choose Stash to combine investing with education and rewards. And for full-feature long-term investing, Fidelity is the best place to begin. Have you started investing yet? Which app are you using or which one are you thinking about trying? Let us know in the comments. And if this video helped you take the first step toward investing, don't forget to give it a like. Always invest responsibly, start small, stay consistent, and never invest more than you're willing to lose.